right, 7:34, time to focus on business. Our business editor, Mike Eppel, joining us now. Mike, a spike in the price of oil to report this morning.
Yeah, it was quite a bit more, actually, Ted, earlier when we saw oil overnight up by as much as 6.5%. We haven't seen a move of that nature in several months, but what happened was Saudi Arabia launched military strikes in Yemen, which is not the biggest OPEC producing nation by far. Actually, it's number 39 in the world, but it's strategically located, and the fear being whenever you have Middle East tensions or unrest, could lead to a supply disruption. So the market hasn't had to deal with that recently, but today it certainly did earlier, and we saw the price way up, and the price for oil right now up about $1.50 at just over $50 a barrel for WTI crude, so a jump of better than 2%. The overseas market activity was down earlier, and it's filtering into what we're seeing in the start of the North American trading day as well. We are coming off a fairly significant sell-off yesterday for Wall Street, where the Dow was down close to 300 points. Shares of Lululemon Athletica steady this morning. The Vancouver-based yoga wear maker reporting earnings that topped $110 million U.S. In the fourth quarter, they had a very good holiday sales season. This is a company that's been trying to recuperate from some PR gaffes and some management reorganizations, but the latest numbers look pretty darn good, and in fact the stock year to date is up by about 10%. We also had Kraft Foods yesterday moving higher by 35% on that merger announcement with Heinz. We're tracking Kraft today. Not as much trading activity. Probably saw the brunt of it yesterday. Nevertheless, a mega merger going through, and we'll see if it faces any type of restrictions from U.S. trade policymakers, but a big deal, and that didn't really help the mood of the market yesterday. We'll see what happens coming up today. Ted, back to you.
Good stuff. Okay, thank you, Mike. That's Mike Eppel, our business editor, reporting this morning. You can hear Mike on 660 News at 26 and 56 after the hour.